Here we have a math Olympiad problem. Okay, let's look at the stuff we have. X negative y equals to 4 and x times y equals to 3. We have two information. So using these two information, we have to find the value of x to the third power negative y to the third power. Okay, to solve this problem, we must be knowing the two algebraic identities. One is a negative b the whole square, which is equals to a square negative 2ab positive b square, and the other identity is a cube negative b cube, so which is equal to a negative b times a square positive ab positive b square. So we are going to use these two algebraic identities to solve this problem. Okay, now my aim is to get the value of x cube negative y cube. So this x cube negative y cube is exactly in the form of a cube minus b cube. So for a cube minus b cube, we can write a minus b times a square positive ab positive b square. So we have to write the same expression over here. So but instead of a, we have to write x. Instead of b, we have to write y. Because we have x cube minus y cube for a cube minus b cube. So for this a minus b, I have to write x negative y. And for this expression, for a square, we have to write x square. For ab, we have to write xy. For b square, we have to write y square. Okay, here I know the value for x negative y, that's 4. And also I know the value for x times y. So I have to get the values for x square and y square. Okay, now let me rewrite the second expression. That is, I am writing x square and y square together. This x square and y square together. I write xy, x times y at last. Okay, so I can plug in a value for x negative y, that is 4 times. For this one, I do not know the value. For this x times y, I know the value, that is 3. Okay, I have to write value for this expression x square positive y square. So for that, I'm going to use the first identity, that is a minus b whole square equals to a square negative 2ab positive b square. Okay, now let me take the first equation which is given over here. Okay, so x negative y equals to 4. Okay, now I'm going to square both sides of this equation. So then I'll be getting x negative y the whole square equals to 4 square. I squared both sides. Okay, now this is exactly in the form of a minus b the whole square. For a minus b whole square, we have the stuff a square negative 2ab positive b square. So we have to write the same stuff for x negative y whole square. Instead of a, we have to write x. Instead of b, we have to write y. So we have x square negative 2xy positive y square is equal to the value of 4 square is 16. Okay, we know that the value of xy is 3. So we can plug in 3 for xy. Okay, so the next step, x square negative 2 times 3 is 6 positive y square equals to 16. Now I'm adding 6 to both sides. When I do it, so this negative 6 positive 6 will cancel out. I get x square positive y square equals to 16 plus 6 will be 22. Okay, now I got the value of this expression x square positive y square, that is 22. I can plug in 22 for x square positive y square. Okay, 4 times, when I add 22 positive, 22 and 3, it will be 25. So 4 times 25 is 100. So now I got the value of x to the third power negative y to the third power, that is 100.